Nature Center. And I'm missing all of you, missing your smiling faces at school, missing your smiling faces at the Nature Center. So we thought this week, in honor of Earth Week, we would stay with one of our units we do in the spring, which is animals from eggs. And we normally hatch chickens in the classroom. And since we can't be in the classroom, we are going to hatch them virtually. So we are going to hatch some here at the Nature Center. And I have two of my teachers, Mrs. Slater and Mrs. Thielen from the elementary school. They are going to hatch some at their houses as well. And between the three of us, we're hoping to have some activities for you to do at home. Maybe read a story or check out a video about different animals that come from eggs. So I hope you'll stay tuned with us for the next couple of weeks and check out what we have going on and check on the progress of our eggs. The first thing we're going to do is start with a virtual tour of my farm. So we're going to check out where my chickens live. You'll meet my rooster Max and see all of his girlfriends. You'll get to see where the hens actually lay their eggs. We'll collect those eggs, and those will be the ones that we're putting in the incubator to hatch. So we hope you'll stay tuned. Have a happy Earth Week and a happy spring, and we hope that you're staying safe and that you are getting outside.
Here is our chicken house. All the chickens are inside sleeping. I'm going to let them out. You can hear my roosters ready to get out. And there's my pregnant dog that's gonna have puppies at the end of the week. Here's all the chickens outside. There's my naughty little hen that doesn't like the rooster, so then she flies out. Everybody else is inside getting a morning drink. Now the sheep have heard my voice and they're hungry. But there are 3 roosters in there. The black one, Max, is the dominant rooster. And then these are all of his girls. This is the inside of our chicken house where they come in and eat. They have water outside. This is where they roost at night, up towards the ceiling. And this is also where the nest boxes are at. There's Max, our rooster. See, he is a very handsome rooster, and he knows it. There's some of his girlfriends in the background there. They're going back outside. In the nest boxes, you can see how several moms will lay their eggs in there. Usually when they get about 10, then the mom will start to sit on the eggs. She's sitting on eggs already. Here are 2 of my hens sitting in their nest boxes, sitting on eggs, which is what we're going to do with the incubator. We're going to put them in the incubator to keep them warm, just like their mom would. They would sit in there for 21 days and keep their eggs warm, only to come out and eat and drink, and that's it. So these are the eggs that I have collected over the last 4 days, I guess. They're laying about 14 eggs a day. Some of them you can tell are different colors from different chickens. All kind of a variety of eggs. So these are the ones that we are going to put into the incubator. And I'll show you what our incubator looks like here. These are our Brincia mini classroom incubators. They're very nice because they have a big window. The kids can watch the eggs roll. The chickens in the nest will actually roll their eggs several times a day. We're pretty spoiled with these incubators because they roll the eggs. They keep it at the exact temperature they need to be at, 99.5, and then they also keep the exact humidity. So in that center cup there, we will fill with water, and that will keep the humidity at the right humidity it needs to be at for the eggs to do well. And then you can put it on a different rotation. We usually do about a 45-minute rotation. So you'll hear a beeping sound and then it will rotate the eggs. So these are pretty nice incubators. The only thing is they only hold 7 eggs. We have some larger incubators too. So we're gonna do several different kinds to see what one we get a better hatch from. So once we put the water in and you plug the incubator in and it reaches 99.5, and then we have to start at day 21, so we'll have to change that. Once it's reached that temperature, then you can place the eggs inside, and we'll do that here in a little bit. And the eggs will be in there for 21 days. We are going to go through each day and kind of talk about what develops every day inside the egg. Okay, our incubator finally reached the temperature. The water is in there. I've got the eggs in there, and I'm going to put the lid on, and we're going to be ready to go. So our eggs are inside the incubator, and we're starting on day 21. So if you want to follow along at home, I'm going to attach these images to make a paper chain if you want to follow along every day with what's going on inside the egg. So starting tomorrow, we will find out what forms first inside the egg. So I will attach this onto the Facebook page. You can print it out and cut up the strips, and then you just staple each one of them together and for our 21-day chain. So if you want to do that today and follow along with us for the next couple weeks, we would love that. So we hope you'll follow along.